Guys, in this video I will show you how to generate speech using AI in very good quality in any language that you want using this tool. All what you do, go open browser and then press Studio AI Studio Google, and then go for the first link. And here guys, the most important thing, which is drag it to the last one, which is generate speech, and here use the model the 3.1 Pro preview because it is free for now. So hello, welcome to my YouTube channel called Kentucky. In this video I will show you how to generate speech video using AI. So here I was gonna be building, so I was gonna be crafting the audio. I will just give the time to come back to that. So guys, after the prompting you will have a mini application with coding and so on and testing the feature on it. So the same text to pitch, I just want to make it with the voice selections and the output voice here.
Hi there,
If you want to
welcome to my
listen,
YouTube channel called Otaki. In this video, I will show you how to generate speech audio using AI.
so yeah,
Hi there, welcome
this
to
is the application. The code wise gonna be finding here all the code, all the inputs and prompts here. If you want to add something else to get the output and then you can publish it, you can mention it in comments. I will show you how to do it. So that's it guys, I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.